Properties of additions. Which problem you are doing, Sagar?
Third one, madam.
Third one.
Yes.
What is that? What is the value? How you are doing once you show?
First we take 5
Okay.
and we add 1.
Okay.
5 plus 1, 6.
Okay.
We will keep here 6.
Mm.
We will take 3
Mm.
and we will add 4. 4 to 3.
What is the value? Final value?
7.
7.
67.
Very good. Which problem you are doing, Triveni?
67. This is the second one.
What are the values you are taking? Which problem you are doing, Poojesh? Show that. How you are doing? Show that. Mm. Okay. Take 4 and add how much you are adding.
0.
Okay. What is the answer now?
49.
Very good.
And take another one.
What about your group? Once you can do the fourth one, no? Now you show.
You do.
And person can join the blocks and give, no?
5, 6, 5, 6, 7. Which luck we will add? 7. 7. Yeah. Which luck we will add 7? Not there any number. Again 7. There had 0. Which luck we will add? Reminder is 7. Okay.
Not a reminder, answer.
Answer is 7.